What's up, guys? It's Joe, the Cowboy Drummer. I'm here to talk about this electronic drum set that I just got for free from my neighbor. It's a Yamaha DT Explorer. It's pretty old. It's from like 2005. It's got a lot of cool sounds, but honestly, it's like old and outdated, and the drum sounds today are a lot better than they were when this came out. Instead of just plugging my headphones right into it and like building my own kit on here, I'm just trying to run it through Logic so that way I can make my own more modern drum sound. The way I have it connected is with MIDI, since there's no USB or no other ports to connect it like a normal interface would have. So I have this MIDI to USB right to my computer. And when I open the drum track in Logic, it's kind of not right. That's a hi-hat. My snare is an open hi-hat. It's got to be mapped out. So I'm gonna show you how to do that so we can get this sounding like an actual drum set. Let's add a new track here. Let's make sure it's on software instrument. And then from here, we go to drum kit, go down to producer kits, and then you pick a drum set, which I'm gonna use the SoCal. So you'll notice right here, we have this drop menu, and you can see all the individual drums, so you can mix each individual one. But we wanna click on overheads. And then in here, go to MIDI effects, come down to scripter, and then you get this pop-up. So click factory default and change it to drum kit designer remapper. And then from here, you see all the parts of the kit, and they all have a note with them. So on the drum set, all these pads are assigned a note. So you can see which note it is. If you go up here to the top, click this drop-down menu and hit custom. And then you have a lot more things up here. So watch when I hit the kick drum. Right here at the top, it says A0. If I come over here to kick, I can change this to A0. And then when I hit the kick drum, there we go. We have an actual kick drum sound. So that's good. That's what we want. And then same thing with my snare. I hit my snare and it says G0. So let's say I want that to be the snare center. I'll find G0, which is right there. And now when I hit my snare, that's it, guys. There you have it. That's how you change any of these pads to any drum sound in Logic. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Like, share, comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. I'll leave you with a sample of my current drum sound, and you guys can check that out. Have a good day. Peace.